Hi, my gems. Welcome back to my channel. It's Charming L here. Welcome to Charming's Mukbangs. And I'm here with another one, a quick one. I'm out and about. As you can see, I don't know if you can see the weather. It's still the same, snowy. But if it's your first time being here, I welcome you. Please hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you can be notified when I post a new video. And like, comment, and share. Out and about. Christmas Eve. Happy Christmas Eve, you guys. And guess where I'm at? I stopped to get me a quick bite. Wendy's breakfast. Thumbnail. But I'm out. I'm grabbing some breakfast real quick. And I hope everybody's having a great morning, day, afternoon, whatever time it is in your area. Evening. I stopped, got me some French toast sticks, of course, and the breakfast potatoes, and iced coffee, French vanilla iced coffee. And their iced coffee is don't sleep on it. It's pretty good. I already said my prayer, y'all. Bless my food, and check it out. I think they're being stingy with the syrup. They only gave me one. I hate when places do that. Just give you one of whatever. But anyway, let me hurry up. Let me get me a little quick. I'm not going to sit here and eat all of it because I have to hurry up. I'm on the go. You know, everything closes early on Christmas Eve. Any eve of a holiday, the stores close early. So I'm just doing running around. How do I look, guys? I just got up and threw stuff on. I'm Mrs. Grinch today. Just kidding. But I hope you guys have a great day. Hope you finished all your Christmas shopping and all that good stuff. I haven't had these in forever. Ooh. Dipping it too far, I'm going to get it all over my clothes. Mmm. 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 Bomb. Why would you give me all those French toast sticks with one syrup? That's crazy. Mm. I needed this. Write down in the comments what you guys are doing for Christmas. This bomb. Do I have something on my face? Like I always do? Yeah, write in the comments what you guys are doing for Christmas. Making a big dinner, having family over. Mm. I am chilling at home. I don't usually travel on the holidays. I've done that before. Big mistake. It was too chaotic. At the airport, it was a hot mess. Mm. What took me so long? These are fire. Mm. I'm gonna put this somewhere where it won't spill. How do you just give me one syrup for 6 French toast sticks? I ain't lying. The quality of coffee is not bad. Okay, Wendy's, I see you. I see you. Look at that. Crispy, just how I like it. Make sure I don't have food on my face. And I had to go back inside to get the ketchup. And a straw. Excuse me, miss. Can I have a straw and some ketchup? Please. Those are things you shouldn't have to ask for, right? Take a bite. Fire. I love their breakfast potatoes. What bomb. Look how golden and crispy they are. They gave me a lot. I ain't mad at them. How's the weather in you guys' area? Well, I actually stopped here because it's a little bit warmer today. So, I'm thankful for that. Because it was super cold the last couple of days. Well, I'm going to go, guys. Just wanted to pop in and say good morning. Happy holidays for all those that celebrate. Get all your shopping done before the stores close, because today the stores close early. And have an awesome and amazing Christmas day with your friends, family, whoever you're spending it with. Enjoy it to the fullest and stay blessed. And Merry Christmas to all of you guys. And I love you. Never forget. And I'll see you soon. So stay blessed. And I love you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, y'all. Merry Christmas to me with a subscribe. Love you. Bye. Have a good day.